So let's get a link that got shared with us. We come right here to our offer, the Father's Day magazine cover that you can download, change your pictures, change the wordings, and print it out and give it to Dad for Father's Day. Make it yours, make it special. So go on to buy now, and I'm testing this out. You put your email address, you put your name, and enter your card number. Okay, so now you've paid for your download, and you'll get to your download now, and you will receive this PDF. Do not throw it away because this has all the information that you need. You can either click on this link right here or this one, it doesn't matter, it will download that. And also here it gives you that a PDF that gives you all the quirky quotes and funny short inspirational titles. You also have another way to download it, but those are the two things on this PDF, and it's that download right there. So let's open that. Yes, open that link. And this is where you'll get your links for you to use Canva, which is super easy. If you don't have an account, you can create a free one, and you can say, use this template for my new design. So let's click on that. And yes, if you don't have a Canva account, just go on and create one. It is super easy. So you can use your Google or Facebook login or create an account, quick and easy. Continue. And bam, we have our free Canva account ready for us to use, and it will show you around. But here we have all our templates, so you get to choose which one you really want to use. So, and basically we are just going to switch out the pictures and we're ready to go. So say I really like this one, so let's go on and we want to customize this. We want to put in our dad's picture, so I'm going to make it a little bigger so you see it. Let's keep the top for now. So here I'm going to put in my dad's name. He is the man. I call him daddy. And here you can make it bigger. You can change the font. Anyone that has this crown, you will have to pay for it. But there is so many fonts that you can use. Let's use this one. You can also leave the font that was there. And I want that spaced out a little bit. Let's let us space it out a little bit. That's spaced out. And let's make it a little bigger. Okay, just drag it down. I'm going to leave that margin up there. I don't want that to move. So let's go on and change that picture. So you see, I just deleted that just to delete on your computer, and we're going to upload dad's picture. So let's do upload here and upload. And this is my dad's picture. See, it's right there, just uploaded. And when I click on that picture, it comes straight in there, and bam, it's in the photo. I can crop it, make it bigger. So these lines that you know if it's in the center, you see how it's going, make it bigger so you see it. So if I move it, you'll see how those lines cross together, and right there, they're right in the center. So now I can customize any of these words, change the colors if I need to. So here I can move this up because it's blended in with that. And I can say, so another thing, that's where the quotes come in. So if I go back to that PDF that I bought, and I go right here, get the link, get the list here. Let's open that link. And we already bought it, so we don't need to do that anymore. Let's come right here and get that bonus material here, right there. So I'll let it go straight to my email again. And once I go to my email, so let's confirm a subscription. All that does, it say, hey, Fume, send me emails when you have some really good stuff to share. So right there are all these fun quotes that we can choose from. I don't know if you have a dad that loves TV. Mine does. So let's see. King of the Remote, a guide to dad's favorite channel, Shuffle, Selfie Adventures. I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to go right back to my thing here. Right click and paste. Bam. That's changed. So say I want to change the background for that. And you don't really have to do it, but I want you to make this so yours. So I went here, clicked on that, went to effects, and this is what it scrolled down a little bit. So this will change the background. So if I want brown, if I want white, if I want, I'm going to make it yellow or use the blue. I think I like the blue, kind of blends in with that. So I'm going to keep it blue, click out of that, and that is already customized to how I want it. I can stretch it out. I can leave it that way. So this is easier. We can even put it on top of that, but I think I like it right here. So I'm going to keep it there. If you want to make it smaller, that exactly just drag the edges and make it smaller. So let's keep customizing this. So here I want to change this. I think white will make it pop out a lot more. Okay. And yes, I want to change it. You see how I want to change the font? Font color. I'm just coming right up to the color here, A, and then click on the color that I want. And that's it. One according to that. And here, this is what it says right here. So if I double click on it, it will highlight everything and it will change that color as soon as I look at it. But I want to change that. I'm coming back to my quotes and I want a blessing for dad. I'm going to copy that, bring it back here and paste. I'm going to make this a little smaller. This you can make it so yours. And here, maybe I don't want all of it to be all caps, but mostly magazines, like it's all caps. I can come right here and if you just click on it, right there, it's not all caps anymore. See, and I think even if you bring it over here, it shows even more, but I want to keep it right here. And so you want to put a light background like we did here. So go back to effects and you know how we put that background at the back there. And here we can change the color or just leave it black. Well, let's change it to that blue that we used before. Right there. And here, I'm going to say dad edition. I think I want this dad to be in white. I think it will pop up way, way better. And here I want to say dad edition. Thank you so much. And bam, my Father's Day gift is all ready. This is him. Maybe I want to put his name right here. He loves his initials. Oh, cool. I like this right here. I even like the yellow right here. But say I wanted to change this color. I'm going to go right here to that color, highlight where I want to change it, and I can change it to that blue so it all matches. And then I'm going to click on what I want to have highlighted. You see how I clicked out and then came back to the names right here. Double click on it, and then I can put my name. And whatever I want to write in there. See? And that's how we'll customize each one of them. Take the pictures out, switch the words out, and there we go. We are all done. And this is page 3 that I want to print out. So at the end, I'm all done. I looked at it. I don't have anything else I want to change. I'm going to come right here to share, download. I want it to download as a PDF. I want it to do a PDF print. I'm going to do that. And then download. It's going to download to my computer. And if you want Canva free, Canva Pro, which gives you more ways to customize all your products, this is where you'll go for it. And you can try it free for 30 days. So go on and try it. You have way more functions, but you really do not need it. for this at all. So that will download straight to our computer. If I go to my downloads, let's go download here. Oh, sorry. I want download PDF prints and so I'm going to select, I only want page 3. So I'm going to click here to deselect everything. So I can only choose the page that I want. Otherwise, it will print all of them. It's not the end of the world, but it will print all of them. So page 3 is where I customize. So click done. We already chose what we want and download. We should see downloading right here. And so I'll go in and open it right there. That is my Father's Day download, all ready to go. I customize it, put in the words that I want. This will make my dad feel special. He is on the magazine cover. So there you go. This you can actually download and send it to Office Max or FedEx or wherever you normally print your stuff. Or you can just download it, save it to your computer, and print it out. So I am going to print it out. That's my printer. I don't want black and white. I want color. And it will print on my regular 8x11 paper. And I'm going to, it's all 8x10. It fits an 8x10 frame. So that is where it is designed to print. So let's see what it looks like on a frame.